Welcome. This video will guide you through enabling Bluetooth on your Tesla for phone key and audio connectivity. While the Tesla app uses cellular or Wi-Fi for remote control, Bluetooth is essential for in-car features. We'll cover setup for Model S, 3, X, Y, and Cybertruck, with the latest info as of December 2024 and projections into 2025. We'll make sure that by the end of this video, you will have a great understanding of how to use Bluetooth on your Tesla. To enable Bluetooth on your smartphone, start by opening your phone's Settings app. This is essential for both phone key functionality and audio streaming with your Tesla. Once in Settings, locate the Bluetooth option and turn it on. On iOS, you'll find it in the main Settings menu, while on Android, it might be under Connections or Network Settings. Finally, ensure your phone is set to be discoverable. This allows your Tesla to easily find and connect to your device. The discoverability setting is usually enabled automatically when Bluetooth is turned on. Remember, without Bluetooth enabled on your phone, your Tesla will not be able to detect your device for phone key or audio streaming. Access the Tesla touchscreen to begin phone key setup. Navigate to Controls, then Locks, and select Phone Key. The car must be within 30 feet of your phone for initial pairing. Follow the on-screen prompts to display a QR code on the Tesla screen. Scan the QR code using the Tesla app on your phone. This generates a secure Bluetooth pairing request. Confirm pairing via Bluetooth. To connect for audio, go to the Media menu on your Tesla touchscreen and select Bluetooth. Choose your phone from the list of available devices and initiate the pairing process. Once paired, you can stream music, podcasts, and calls through the car's speakers. The Tesla integrates seamlessly with apps like Spotify and Apple Music and does not require the use of the Tesla app for playback. The phone key feature transforms your smartphone into a digital key fob for your Tesla using Bluetooth LE, which stands for Low Energy. This technology allows your phone to communicate with the vehicle wirelessly while using minimal battery power. For security and to prevent unauthorized access, the phone key requires your phone to be within proximity of the vehicle, typically between 6 and 9 feet. This proximity-based security ensures the key only works when you're nearby. The phone key supports multiple phones per vehicle, allowing family members or authorized users to have their own digital keys. Each phone can be paired individually for convenient access. The phone key includes special options like valet mode, which limits vehicle speed and access to certain features, and guest access for temporary users. These features provide flexibility while maintaining security. All phone key communications are encrypted to protect against unauthorized access. The combination of Bluetooth LE technology, proximity requirements, and strong encryption makes the phone key both convenient and highly secure. When troubleshooting common Bluetooth issues in your Tesla, start by addressing connection drops. If your connection frequently drops, the first step is to ensure your phone's operating system is up to date. Tesla recommends iOS 16 or later for Apple devices and Android 12 or later for Android phones. These versions include important Bluetooth stability improvements. Another common solution for pairing issues is to restart both your phone and the Tesla vehicle. This simple step can clear temporary glitches in the Bluetooth connection. First, fully power off your phone, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Similarly, put the Tesla into sleep mode or restart it through the touchscreen controls. After restarting, try pairing again. Interference from other Bluetooth devices can disrupt your Tesla's connection. Common sources include nearby wireless headphones, speakers, or even other vehicles. To resolve this, try moving your phone and Tesla away from potential interference sources. For example, in dense urban areas or crowded parking lots, physical distance can significantly improve Bluetooth stability. Looking ahead to future trends in Tesla Bluetooth integration, expect wider adoption of ultra-wideband technology alongside Bluetooth for enhanced phone key security. UWB provides precise proximity detection, complementing Bluetooth's range with higher accuracy for unlocking. Tesla software may also integrate AI for automatic Bluetooth pairing based on user habits, learning patterns to connect devices seamlessly without manual setup. This builds on current optimizations that reduce battery drain and improve stability. By 2025, future software updates could make these integrations even more seamless. with broader UWB adoption across all models, potentially phasing out Bluetooth-only keys for added security. Industry trends point to fully wireless ecosystems with minimal user intervention. Tesla's Bluetooth connections are protected by strong encryption, preventing unauthorized access and ensuring your data remains secure. Always keep your Tesla's software updated to receive the latest security patches and performance enhancements. Regularly verify your phone's Bluetooth settings to maintain a stable and reliable connection. This wireless system provides keyless access that's more secure than traditional physical keys. Enjoy your keyless and wireless experience with Tesla's advanced Bluetooth technology.